Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 95 of building the classic Batmobile. In this issue, we've got the exhaust pipes to fit, which are quite nice and metal. I wasn't sure what to expect from them. We've got Enter Batgirl, Exit Penguin in episode 95 from September 14th, 1967. It's been a while, hasn't it? Yeah, there we go. That's 58 years ago. In the Batcave, Batman and Robin are congratulating themselves for having defeated Catwoman yet again. Must prepare for the opera. There we go. Anyway, last call at McSurley's from 2002. $10,000, yeah. Detective Comics number 27. All-star roster of creators. Grayson, Robin, Amiga. All good things. If you ever want to read any of the words on the pages, obviously feel free to pause, zoom in, do whatever you need to do. But I'm not reading all of those. So this is what we've got, the exhaust stack. I didn't know that these were exhaust pipes. I should have realised. I just assumed from, knowing the car look, that they were some sort of rocket launcher. I just assumed that they were. I think I had a car, a small model that fired rockets out of them. It seems to sound familiar, but obviously they're meant to be exhaust pipes. We've got a long one, two short ones. They fit onto there, and then the rack fits in, and they just stick out the tubes from the top. That again won't take very long. Let's clear this out of the way, get it done. So here we have the three tubes, the longer one, which goes in the middle. They'll only go one way round because there is little blobs that they fit over. And then these two will fit on the outsides. Just like that. There we go. Yeah, they've got a nice weight to them. And they've obviously got that nice red internals. So there we go. We're going to need two screws to hold it in place. Let's get those out of there. Put that to one side. And this is going to be fitted into our car assembly. Dig out the holes there. And that will go onto there like that. Now, I'm not going to be able to lay that down like that because these now will be sticking up in a most inconvenient way. And so I'll get those in and then tighten them up when I can position this in a slightly more comfortable manner. There we go, that's that in there. And that will look like that. Ah, yeah, that's looking iconic now, isn't it? I like that. Not quite straight, but they'll be able to be adjusted a little bit, no doubt, because they're only pushed on there. But there we go. I like the look of that. Right, I'll get these tightened up and then be ready for the next bit, which is fitting the rear trunk area. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon for more. Bye bye for now.